once seen as a lifelong union, is increasingly coming under threat. As more couples part ways over issues many say could have been resolved. What was once rare is now becoming common, leaving deep scars on children, families, and communities. Erika Ivy examines the ripple effects of divorce on the home and society.
Divorce is separation between married couple who, for some reasons such as conflicts, lack of commitment, infidelity, or domestic violence, decide to part ways. Research shows that divorced men and women suffer a greater level of emotional and psychological distress, which, if not checked, can result in public nuisance.
If you have children and you divorce, the impact will be much on those children, because those children will not be brought up well. They will not be well trained, because the children need the training of the mother and the training of the father.
But when it gets to an extent of maybe your life going, that should not do you part before you, so you must stay there and die.
Psychologists maintain that divorce hurts both parties and even more dangerous for the academic, behavioral, and psychological well-being of the children.
Of what could happen after marriage, let's use a woman for example. She begins to be afraid of the protection the man has afforded him over the years. The man actually gives the woman a lot of financial protection, fiscal protection, protection from a whole lot of things. It gives some dignity too, especially in the African society. And then the problems the stigma that may come with the name a divorcee.
Some wife decided to divorce the husband, and also some husband, because of one thing or the other, they decided to divorce their wives. And this posed a serious threat, danger to the family, especially when they were having children.
The alarming rate of divorce in the society of recent has become a source of concern as people are wondering and asking these questions. What are the cultural and religious stand on divorce?
And so you must also have understanding of what marriage entails before you enter into it. It's for matured minds. A lot of persons, it depends on what you have in mind when you enter into marriage.
Yeah, basically I tell you, Islam permits, and I put that in inverted comma, open and close, permits it. This is one of the most hated things. I tell you, and for a summary, Islam does not encourage divorce, but permits it in extreme situations.
I believe that there's the role a father play, there's the role a mother play. May not be noticed that contributing to the proper upbuilding, growth, and personality development of the child that's growing up.
So in a toxic situation like that, we advise them to separate so that you can live and at least watch over your children.
Religious clerics in their submission opine that concerted efforts to teach family values and religious principles should be taken into consideration in order to check the menace of divorce in the family, community, and society at large.